Welcome back to the channel, everybody. 2Bit Crypto here now. Bitcoin on the rampage, 47,000, just ticked off the list, but don't sleep on XRP. This is now starting to move. We even had a big announcement from Vanek Digital talking earlier about the release of spot Bitcoin ETFs. What's all that about? I'm going to break it down for you in this video and why you should absolutely not be sleeping on XRP. So if that's something you like and you're bullish and in the XRP army, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for all the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency. And with that being said, let's take a look at exactly what's going on over here at the market. So the market is on a rampage right now. We see the overall market at $1.76 trillion, up 3.5%, and looks like it continues to rise ahead of tomorrow's exciting ETF trading. So XRP up 6% at the minute, over $2 billion in volume, again riding the crest of this ETF news, which is fantastic. And a lot of people are saying, hold on a minute, why is XRP all of a sudden coming? You've got to understand where they want to go. We actually got a very interesting tweet from Brad Garlinghouse talking about the unlocking of institutions, the ability now for institutions to come and move into cryptocurrency. We know that's absolutely where they have been positioned and where ultimately Brad and Chris have been making sure that all the partnerships are ready for XRP. So what do we got, particularly when it talks specifically about more crypto focused stuff with XRP? Well, ultimately, spot Ripple and Ethereum ETFs are coming soon. Valkyrie's investment chief thinks so. Now, interestingly, we were listening to Bloomberg interview earlier on. We actually were listening to this live on my live stream, but Steve McClug, co-founder and chief investment officer at Valkyrie Funds, has suggested the potential approval of an Ethereum or XRP exchange traded funds following the expected launch of a spot Bitcoin ETF in recent Bloomberg interview. They actually said, quote, "Our paperwork is with the SEC." So absolutely right now, expectation would be XRP and Ethereum ETFs would come very soon. Now, XRP would be much easier to get past because there isn't the issue with staking. We don't have that. Ethereum, obviously, if you're running nodes, you can stake Ethereum and ultimately therefore be benefited back. Ripple is different. So the honest answer is it will be much simpler and easier and probably more aligned to the SEC's view on things to get Ripple through. There is clearly a demand. We saw it live on the show when we got that fake news of a Ripple ETF, and we saw a massive spike. So this is discussions that are going on, lots of people talking about it, and ultimately, again, we have that Bitcoin ETF is now approved. It does say, and I quote here, "Despite the positive outlook, McClug expressed uncertainty about the future launch of such products, stating, 'I really don't know if we're going to do that or not.'" Vanek, like we said, already in the gate. So very interesting. We see, again, one I would absolutely recommend, and I think we could see a significant price increase for Ripple, which is why when you start to think about potential valuation, it says Ripple to value at $11 billion following a share purchase. Ripple adds tender offer aims to repurchase 285 million shares, valuing the firm at $11.3 billion in a fortifying financial standing. Now, all of this is important. Ripple has been building partnerships, linking in with the correct people, ultimately to be a juggernaut when it comes to both the cryptocurrency space and equally linking back into the financial sector. And it's very, very important. We know they want to buy back. We want this valuation of the company absolutely cements Ripple as a big player in the space. And it's a very good point. It says the repurchase broader part would be a $500 million buyback plan that includes costs associated with converting restricted stock units into common shares and related taxes. Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, reportedly confirmed the tender offer and highlighted the company's strong financial position with over $1 billion in cash and more than $25 billion in crypto assets, predominantly in XRP. The decision to buy back shares rather than pursue an initial public offering provides liquidity to investors while maintaining greater control over the company's operation. And this could even be part of why we're seeing these moves on escrow to build up a cash position. Again, if you're in business or you've been around business, cash talks. That's the reality when you're looking to do anything with shares, strengthen your financial position, ultimately get a better rating in terms of where your financial credentials are. Cash is absolutely king in this situation. So very good news. Like I said, Bitcoin on an absolute rampage right now, but look at this, XRP doing the same, breaking above that 60 range in a big volatility spike that we get. Now we're looking for 66 will be the next big position we want to get to in terms of a support level, but equally we want to just see this continuation to the upside now. Given this is where we've been moving on the 15-minute, if we come out a little bit further onto the 4-hour, you can see a very, very good candle on XRP with some significant volume running in, about 16 million on Binance alone being pushed into this. So expect this to continue to the upside. I think people will absolutely be waking up, and all it will take is a nod of a potential XRP listing. Likewise, Ethereum doing something very, very similar as well and been on a tear. So very good news, not only only for the spot Bitcoin ETF holders, but equally the wider cryptocurrency market. And don't be shy when it comes to XRP, because this one could be the next one on the list. Let me know, as ever, in the comments down below. What do you think? Do you see an XRP ETF next or not? I'm always interested to hear your thoughts. And if you're bullish on crypto and everything else, smash that like button. It does truly help the channel out, gets the video moving, and subscribe if you're brand new. We'd love you to be part of our community. As ever, thank you so much, everybody. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.